Let's make gundruk achar with me. Gundruk is basically fermented mustard leaves. This is dry gundruk, which is sour in taste and it is very good for digestion. So let's make some achar out of it.